Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Podcast. My name is Emily, and today, oh yes, this is a very special episode.
Hi everyone, I'm Paul. And yes, today's episode is super important because we are talking about one of the most useful skills in English, something you use everywhere, every day, with every new person.
Exactly. Today, we will learn how to introduce yourself, slow English, simple English, and we will use real examples, easy sentences, and even small stories.
So get comfortable, relax, and enjoy learning with us.
Before we begin, let's talk about why introductions are important. When you introduce yourself, you are not only sharing your name, you are showing confidence, you are showing kindness, you are opening the door to conversation.
Yes, and honestly, many English learners worry too much about introductions. They think, oh no, what if I say it wrong? Or what if I sound strange?
But the truth is, introductions are simple. And today, we will show you how simple they can be.
And by the end of this episode, you will know how to introduce yourself at school, at work, in a job interview, in a friendly conversation, in an online meeting, and even at a party or social event.
We will also share small mistakes people often make and how to fix them. Section 2. The Basic Formula.
Let's start with the basic, simple introduction. It has three parts: your name, your country, or city. One small extra detail about you.
Let me show you an example. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from California. I love teaching English and meeting new people.
Simple, clear, friendly, and not too long.
Your turn, Paul. How would you introduce yourself?
All right, here's mine. Hey, I'm Paul. I'm from Canada. I enjoy traveling and learning about different cultures.
That was nice. And notice something. Paul and I speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, and that is important. When you introduce yourself, you don't want to speak too fast. You want the other person to understand you easily.
Section 3. Example. Introductions with different styles. Now we will show you different styles of introductions. These will help you in many situations. 1. Simple and friendly.
Hi, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Emily. It's great to meet you. 2. More professional.
Hello, my name is Paul Johnson. I work as a marketing manager.
Hi, I'm Emily Carter. I am an English instructor with 5 years of experience.
Third school or class introduction.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm studying computer science.
Hello, I'm Paul. I'm in the English program.
4. Online meeting introduction.
Hey everyone, I'm Paul. I'm joining from Toronto. It's nice to be here.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm excited to learn with all of you today. Section 4. Common mistakes learners make. Let's talk about a few common mistakes. We hear these a lot. Mistake 1. Saying, myself is Emily.
No, no, no. This is not correct. Just say, I am Emily, or my name is Emily. Mistake 2. Speaking too fast.
Even native speakers slow down when introducing themselves. You don't need to rush. Mistake 3. Giving too much information.
Sometimes students say something like, hello, my name is Paul. I live in Canada. I am 32 years old. My favorite food is pizza. I like cats. I have 2 brothers, and I enjoy hiking, and I love swimming, and I work at a bank.
Laughs. Yes, don't do that. Keep your introduction short and simple. Section 5. Story time. When introductions go wrong. Okay, story time. Paul, tell them your funny introduction story.
Oh no, the embarrassing one?
Yes, yes. The embarrassing one.
All right. So, many years ago, I attended a big conference. There were maybe 300 people. When it was my turn to introduce myself, I stood up and said, "Hi, everyone. My name is, uh, my name is," my mind went totally blank, empty. I forgot my own name. Everyone started laughing.
And what did you learn from that day?
I learned that introductions are easier if you breathe, relax, and speak slowly.
Good advice. And it shows that even native speakers make mistakes. Section 6. How to introduce yourself in a job interview.
Job interviews can feel scary, but your introduction does not need to be difficult. Use this structure: your name, your job or field, your experience. One strong skill.
Let's give an example.
Hello, I'm Paul. I'm a digital marketing specialist with 6 years of experience. I'm skilled in social media and content strategy.
Nice. And here's mine. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm an English teacher with a background in language training. I enjoy helping students improve their communication skills.
Notice we didn't talk too long. Short, professional, and clear.
Section 7. Introduce yourself at a party or social event. Now let's switch to something more fun. Introducing yourself at a party.
Parties are casual, so keep it light.
Hey, I'm Emily. I love your jacket. Is this your first time at this event?
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm a friend of Sarah's. Nice to meet you.
Small compliments, connection, and friendly tone are helpful. Section 8. Introduce yourself in a classroom or training program.
Class introductions are super common.
Use this formula. Where you are from, what you're studying, one small hobby.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from Canada. I'm studying video editing. I really enjoy photography.
Hello, I'm Emily. I'm from the US. I'm learning Japanese. I enjoy reading and cooking. Section 9. Vocabulary for introductions. Let's review some easy vocabulary that helps during introductions. Nice to meet you. Great to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. I'm from. I live in. I study. I work as. I enjoy. I like. Paul, these are simple and very useful.
Section 10. How to ask about another person.
Conversation is not only about you. After your introduction, you should ask a question.
Yes, this is important. Ask something simple like, what about you? Where are you from? What do you do? What are you studying?
Here is an example conversation.
I'm Paul. I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm Emily. I'm from the US. Nice to meet you. Section 11. Mini practice. Repeat after us. Okay, listeners, time to practice. Repeat after me. My name is Emily. Pause.
My name is Paul. Pause.
I'm from your country. Pause.
I work as your job. Pause.
I enjoy your hobby. Pause.
Section 12. Practice stories. Now let's practice with a mini story.
Imagine you are starting a new English class. You walk into the room, sit down, and the teacher says, "Please introduce yourself."
What will you say?
Here's an example. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Brazil. I'm studying English because I want to travel more.
Short, clear, perfect.
Section 13. Introductions for shy people. Many of our listeners are shy, and that's okay. You don't need to talk too much.
A short introduction is completely fine. Hi, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
See? Simple.
The important thing is to smile and speak calmly.
Section 14. Improving your accent during introductions. When introducing yourself, pronunciation is important, especially with your name and city.
If people don't understand your name, you can help them.
For example, my name is Emily. It sounds like Emily.
This is a great tip if your name is difficult for some people.
Section 15. Ending your introduction. After you introduce yourself, you can end with, "Nice to meet you. I'm happy to be here. I look forward to working with you."
This makes your introduction feel complete and polite.
Section 16. Full example, introductions. Now let's listen to 5 complete introductions. 1. Friendly. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Turkey. I love music and meeting new people. 2. Professional. Hello, I'm David Kim. I'm a software engineer with 4 years of experience. 3rd classroom. Hi, I'm Maria. I'm studying English because I want to travel. 4th online meeting. Hello everyone, I'm Ahmed. I'm joining from Dubai. 5th interview. Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm a customer service representative with strong communication skills.
Section 17. Final practice exercise. Now it's your turn.
Think of your own introduction. Keep it short. Use the structure we taught today.
Here is your template. My name is Justus Ni. I'm from Dao. I work/study Nash. Down. I enjoy Chachosh E. Pause the audio and speak out loud. Practice makes perfect. Section 18. Conclusion. So today, we learned how to introduce yourself in many different situations.
We learned basic introductions, professional introductions, school introductions, party introductions, and more.
You also heard vocabulary, stories, mistakes, and practice exercises.
And now you are ready to introduce yourself confidently in English. Before we finish today's lesson, we just want to say, you did a great job. Introducing yourself in English is one of the first steps to building confidence. And now, you know many clear and simple ways to do it.
Yes, and remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You only need a friendly smile, slow speaking, and a short, simple introduction. That is enough to make a great first impression.
And please keep practicing. Say your introduction at home. Say it in front of a mirror. Record yourself. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
And don't be shy. Everyone makes mistakes. Every introduction is a chance to learn, connect, and grow.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We hope this episode helps you in school, at work, in meetings, and in everyday life.
And we are so happy you are part of our Easy English family.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Take care, and bye for now.